Hello everybody and welcome back to another easy way video where I'm going to teach you how to change the theme color on Opera GX. Well, actually this is very simple. I actually like this color, but I'm going to teach you how to change it. So you have to press in the right corner this option, and you have to go to theme and press configuration. So here you can change the primary color, the primary light color, the secondary color in case it's enabled, and the secondary light color. So as you can see, the color is changing. I like this one, for example, so this is the way you can do it. So this is actually very helpful. So if this video helped you, please subscribe, comment, share, like, and press the bell in the subscription button. And as you can see, you can press advanced configuration, and you can select by yourself the color exactly you want, the saturation, the light, whatever. So goodbye, and see you in another easy way video.